review on the newest Call of Duty Infinite Warfare weapons that have been added. So, what they've added is nunchucks, a katana, the Venom X, and also the Origin EMX, which is a submachine gun with, that's semi-auto with a EMP grenade on it. So, I'm doing this on the front lines type. As you can tell, it's just a 3-round burst rifle, and that's all it is. So now let's see. As you can see, it's kind of slow in firing. So now I'm going to do my review on the katana once I respawn. The katana is a weapon that you can change how you're holding it.